I'd like to talk about two-tier or dual pricing on N1 control boards. Some N1 controllers do have two-tiered or dual pricing, which under normal circumstances should be always turned off for proper operation of the vendor, especially if card readers are intended to be used. Not all N1 controllers have two-tiered pricing. N1 controllers with dual price support include AP4 5000, 6 7000, 110, and LCM series. All have two-tiered pricing. Controllers with single-tier pricing include AP120, Studio SL, and ST, as well as all USI and national controllers. Those are all single-tiered pricing. So two-tiered pricing should be disabled by default. When you go into the price menu, if you find entire machine DP and it is set for $99.95, dual price is disabled. So the easy way for you to verify or change that, you can do that simply in service mode while you're configuring the machine for first use. And N1 controllers do use different service mode keys for service mode functions. And if you're unfamiliar with a particular controller, you can always find out what keys are necessary to navigate service mode by pressing the yellow or gray service mode button and then pressing number 1 on your keypad. You'll see what keys are needed to proceed. I'll demonstrate now. Service mode, number 1, and to key down is to move down, key up, move up. G key is cancel, and H key is enter. Nationals use pound, star, J, and F. USI boards can use either ED, F, and G, or pound, star, F, and G. So if you need to know what service mode keys you need to use and you're not familiar, just hit the service mode button, number 1 on the keypad. It will show you the keys you need to use for service mode. If dual price is enabled, the controller could look at the higher VEN price and not allow a cash VEN purchase. The easy way to determine if dual price is turned off is simply by pressing any selection you want and does 1 or 2 prices display. If you see only one price while pressing any selection in the machine, then two-tiered pricing is disabled and no action is required. So I'll demonstrate what I mean right now. Let me hit A1. And that shows a cash price of 50 cents and a card price of 25 cents. So I'm going to put in 50 cents for a cash sale, even though the card sale is cheaper. Let's see what happens. That's a 25 cent. That wasn't supposed to happen. It was supposed to be a 50-cent cash VEN. Dual price is enabled and it's causing some confusion. Let me change it in the opposite way. I had cash price at 50 cents, card price at a quarter. Let me change it to opposite. So go down to price, and then we go down to entire machine. I'm going to make that a quarter now. And now I'm going to go down to entire machine DP and make that 50 cents. Okay, A1, 25 cent cash and 50 cent for card. 25 cent credit. Nothing happened. I'm going to put another quarter in for 50 cents. It just falls straight through. The board is looking for that higher tiered price. Let me get my quarter back. And let's turn off dual price. I'm going to hit service mode. I'm just going to scroll down to price, hit enter, go to the bottom of the price list. Just go as far as you can go. You're going to bump right into entire machine DP, hit H, type in 9995. All selections saved. A1. We have one price now, it's a quarter. So it really doesn't matter if your machine is all cash or cash and cards. Dual price should always be turned off on the particular boards that do have dual price. If you want to add a convenience fee to the sale, for example, a bag of chips $1, you want to add a 10-cent convenience fee, call your card reader manufacturer and have them add a convenience fee to the particular device that's installed in that machine. That way the whole machine is cash. Whether somebody uses cash or a card, it's still $1. But if they use a card, they'll be charged that extra 10-cent convenience fee on the back end. Another thing that could possibly happen is if you do have dual price turned on, you'll see two PA fields in the DEX file. Under normal circumstances, the vending management software ignores the duplicate PA fields, but proper configuration of the controller and initial install is mandatory for proper operation of the machine. If you take the time when you're installing the kit to do everything right, you'll get good results. And so I just turned off dual price and now the machine is working normally like it should. Please keep that in mind if you're using cash, coins, or strictly just a credit card with an upgrade kit, which is permissible. Make sure dual price is disabled. Entire machine DP set for $99.95. Thanks for watching, everybody. Have a great day.